Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we are talking about how to fix a SteelSeries Sonar not working after update. To fix your SteelSeries Sonar is not working after an update, you have to follow some steps. First of all, you have to restart your computer because sometime a simple restart can resolve your issue after an update. After that, you have to update drivers. If your issue is not fixed, you can try to update the drivers. For that, you have to ensure your audio and USB driver are up to date through device manager or manufacturer website. You can also try to reinstall your SteelSeries engine. Uninstall the SteelSeries engine software from your computer and then you have to download the latest version from the SteelSeries website and reinstall it. After installing, you have to go to audio setting and then you have to ensure the SteelSeries Sonar is selected as default audio device. After that, you have to right click the SteelSeries engine icon and select Run as administrator to give it its necessary permissions. You can also try to disable conflicting software, temporarily disable other audio management software that might conflict with the SteelSeries Sonar. Hopefully, this step will help you to fix the SteelSeries Sonar not working. Thanks for watching.